So you've came across my channel due to the very old video I posted where I programmed a switchblade key to my 2012 Impala. And now you're wondering, how do you get this key blade out of the switchblade? Well, I'm going to show you what I did to take it out. I'll demonstrate it here on this Audi style fob after the intro. Alright, so as you see, I already have the blade out and it's already cut. So I'm just going to tell you, I took my original key plus the blank from the switchblade to my favorite local locksmith. But, so what I did to get that blade out, I got this old desk, there was a hole on the end of it. I just enlarged it a little bit. I opened the, I'm trying to hold the phone. I opened this up and put it right there. I think I got it facing the wrong way. Oh, maybe that is right. No, wait, no, upside down. It goes upside down. Yeah. No, that's not right. I was right the first time. It goes this way. Yeah. And I held it here. And I got my drill bit. I took the smallest bit I have. I had a couple of these bits. I'm just gonna demonstrate what I had here. It would have been a 1/16 bit. This isn't the one I used, but I had another one, and I took the cutters on my needle nose pliers, and I cut the flutes off of here, and that was the perfect size to go down inside there and pound out that pin, holding it over the top of the hole. That drove it out enough. You can see I have the pin right there. I'm gonna put the pin back in this one with the key. So I'm holding this open so you can kind of see where this goes. So you want to have the blade, so you can't really see it. The little notch, let's get it in frame here. That little notch is gonna go on that side. So when you put it back in, you can see through the hole. That's how you want it. And then you can just pound that pin right back in there. You don't even need, this, you can have it against a solid surface. I would just make sure you're holding this down against the desk or something at an angle. And I'm gonna tap it in a little bit, and then I'm just gonna squeeze it in with my channel locks. And that'll lock your blade back in place. And I know there's a flip key service kit you can purchase on eBay. I don't know, what am I gonna use that for? This is like a one and done deal, so it's just easier to find a scrap piece of 2x4 or something and drill a hole in it to correspond with that. That's all you really need to do to get that pin out. See, I got the channel locks on there. Just squeeze her back in. Might have to, yeah, I don't think I got it all the way in, but go back and squeeze it a little more. Might give it a little tap with the hammer just to drive it completely down in there. Oh, it seems to be working. Nope, it's hanging up. What did I do wrong here? Yeah, it turns out I had to put that pin all the way back in. Now she's working good. So next up, we're gonna grab the that 99127 programmer and go out to the car. Again, you don't need the programmer if you have a 2006 to 2009. You don't need the programmer. You can just access the menu for programming a fob right on your driver info center, but 2010 and up you need that programmer because they did away with that option on the BCM. So all that little programmer does is enter you into programming mode, and it's only good for three uses, which this is going to be my third use. So just remember, grab up the fobs you want to program. I'm going to continue using this one, so I'm going to program this one, and my original one, so I'll have those three. And then you're going to want to grab your original key because you need to program your new, this will turn the ignition, but you need to also program the pass key, and I'll show you how to do that too. Alright, so I have gathered my new switchblade key, my original this is my original key here, that's a copy, and that's my other flip that I'm going to program. And then I got this is a 99, I think it's there it is, 99157. That's what it is. I think I said that wrong, but it's got the instructions clearly printed on the back here. Alright, first things first, I'm going to show you how to program the pass key. You got to have your original key, the one that already works. We're going to grab the new one and get it ready to go. You got to do this quick. You're going to insert your key, turn it to on. Now you're going to look for the little security icon right there. Wait for it to go out. Now, within 5 seconds, turn this off, get your new one in, and turn it. And wait for that light to go out. And now your pass key is programmed. Okay, now we're going to program the fobs. So get your programmer ready and consult the instructions. We're going to use the original key again. Insert it, turn it on. Blech. Man, I'm tongue-tied today. Insert this into the OBD2 port and turn the ignition on. Yep, and then you wait for it, and it says buzzer, but it's more like a beep sound. And I think on the dash it'll say remote programming active. When that happens, then you're going to take your new fob and press the lock and unlock button simultaneously. But you got to remember, you got to do your old one too, because when you do this, it erases whatever's in the memory. Like I had that Cadillac fob and I don't use anymore, so that's being erased. All right, so let's make sure we got some adequate light down here. See the OBD2 right there? Make sure we got this oriented correctly. Okay, where is it? Why am I struggling? There it goes. Okay. Okay, remote key active. So let's get this one. Let's hold down the lock and unlock and watch what happens. Is it doing anything? There we go. Okay, that's the first one. Let's get this one. See the red light flashing. Okay, that one's programmed. Now I got to reach around and do this one. Let's see here. Okay, so let's pull the programmer. Let's get some light down there. Okay, I think we're still, yeah, okay. So now we just shut the key off. All right, so let's make sure this all works. Okay, this one works. Let's check this one. All right, let's check the new one. Yep. All right, let's wander back and see if the trunk opens. Yep. Okay, let's open the garage door. Okay. Let's try the remote start. So I have the panic alarm programmed to remote start. Lock the doors twice, hold this. Alright, we're golden. Nice. Alright, let's go try this in the ignition now. I haven't tried this yet. Oh man, I might have to get this key recut. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get this key recut. It won't turn the... Well, oh, there we go. That was a little stiff. Okay, we're good. Oh. Yeah, I might have my blade recut. It's a little sloppy. Okay. So there we go. Now I got my Audi A4 style programmed. And I still have my Bentley style. I gotta quit doing these hard starts. So there you go. That's how you program your artiway. 2 different variants of flip keys. So I want to thank you for visiting my channel. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to help out the channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for visiting.